Just assume it's a deal. Should the problems come from me or should they come from him? You don't think that's what you say, that's what you say. Do you want to hear it? How you blow a call? If you listen to most BDC people make a call, they literally go like this. Hey, this is Kyle from, and the reason I'm calling is I'd like to have a long-winded, boring conversation, and I hate my life. Do you hate your life? I'm actually on Indeed right now looking for another job if you know of anything. Can I create a bunch of problems and handle a bunch of objections? You don't think that's what you say, that's what you say. Do you want to hear it? How you blow a call? Hey, this is Kyle from, and it looks like you were interested in the new. Let me take a look in the computer here, and while I'm doing that, what questions do you have? If you call up and say, what questions do you have, something really, really bad might happen. What might happen? They ask a question, okay? When I call, I know this is contrary to everything we've said all day, I was not calling to set an appointment with that guy. I was calling to confirm it. The appointment's already done. He spent 5, 10, 15, 20 hours doing research, picked out a vehicle or type of vehicle he wanted to own, gave us his first name, his last name, his email address, and his phone number. Deal's done, right? So if I call up and say, do you have any questions? I may mess that deal up. Just assume it's a deal. Should the problems come from me or should they come from him? Good. Why can I call any customer and feel no anxiety and set an appointment over 90% of the time? I just read the call guide. Imagine if you called and asked for a price somewhere and they sent you a price, a payment, the interest rate, a link. You'd be like, these people are nice people. A lot of times people are just sport negotiating anyways. What's the reason why?
They want to win.
They're just trying to win, and a lot of our customers just feel like they're just trying to win. You guys agree with that? They're just trying to win, so you just gotta let people win.